everyone, Boltron here. Today we'll be joined by Madcreeper here. That's Madcreeper. You can actually check out his YouTube video at Madcreeper601. So that's Madcreeper.
We can't believe we didn't record the first battle. We're collecting all the bullets for the other battle.
Yeah.
We actually won, by the way.
Yeah, I actually won.
Last time we did this, we won.
Yeah.
So every round.
If I win this 3 times in a row, you have to take another 6 bullets in your butt, bro.
Dude, you missed last time like 2 bullets. I don't even know how.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, thank you.
That's a lot. Ow, that
There's
hurt.
more over there.
One there.
Oh, I don't know for pickle.
Yeah, just throw everything down there.
Oh my god.
Yeah, now I'm gonna pick up all of the bullets. See? Hey, smart idea. Use my camera to find out all the bullets. One over there. There's like one right there.
Okay.
One here. One here. One here. One here.
Can you like cut this out or something?
No, they can just skip.
Next round. Like when we do all the bullet collecting, just cut this out maybe if you can.
Yeah, I think I'll just cut this out. Give it to me.
Dude, there's more over here.
Oh, okay. Maybe I could just cut the bullet part out and just speed it up.
Okay lah.
That'd be better.
Maybe do like a time lapse or something.
Yeah. Hey, Madcreeper wants to do his intro here, so hey, Madcreeper, do your intro.
Welcome because if I post, my name is Madcreeper601. Today I'm with my friend Boltron TDMC. We're doing Nerf War. I'm very tired. I lost the first round, which Badri here didn't record.
Yep.
We collected all the bullets. We're gonna time lapse this so you won't be just sitting around here looking all of us just collecting bullets.
Or maybe we could just, or we actually just skip the bullet collecting part.
If you wanna skip, you wanna do a time lapse.
Yeah.
Later. Okay, whatever.
What the hell that means?
Okay, I'm gonna tell you about the mode here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put all our 4 guns right here, and then we're gonna close our eyes and blindly pick one gun. The first one we touch, we're gonna use that for the first battle. If the first gun we pick, when our bullets, we have to go here and take another gun.
Okay, I'll go first this time.
Yeah, okay. Where I'm supposed to put this, I'll just put it here.
You hold my camera.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the noise actually comes from here, so yeah.
So I have to record it like this. Oh, look at this! I see Badri.
Alright.
Close your eyes.
Mix up the gun.
Okay.
I'll close my eyes.
The jumbling up of guns. Okay, and that's Badri. Badri, turn around.
I don't spin yet. So yeah.
Oh, okay. Look at him go.
Okay.
It's an 8-minute video. Come here.
Where?
No. Turn around. Okay. No. This here. Now walk forward. Walk forward. Walk forward. Walk forward. Now stop. Now pick a gun. Now pick a gun. Don't get the Dominator. Don't get the Dominator. Seriously? You got the freaking Dominator! What the heck? The thing is 24 bullets. Every time you use that gun, I had to pick all 3 of these guns. Oh shit. Okay, now you hold the camera.
Yeah, I'll hold the camera.
Okay. Jump it up.
Spin yourself around. Look guys, I'm going to do a trick here. Look.
Oh shit, this making
Hold on.
Just...
Yes, I'm done.
Oh snap, yes.
Yeah, I really actually wanted you to get the,
Okay, I got a stock it.
Hold on, I need to put my camera somewhere. So, guys, I'm gonna keep on running. Shit, I think I just clicked something. Oh, the thing is, where can I put my camera?
Can't you just let her film the thing?
No, I thought you just sit on the opposite side.
Why?
Because I have to put my camera over there.
Yeah, because he doesn't want to hang it around later.
Yeah.
People get nauseous and shit.
Come on.
I'm gonna shoot Badri.
Why was I cut over here? What can you use the sack is?
It's pretty dog bag. You're not dog haters, it's just that our guns might get dirty. That's the reason why.
Yeah.
I mean, I love
Move it. Come on, sis, move it. Sis, move it.
Save the pandas. Save the pandas. Donate some money. You're gonna send more money.
The camera won't balance, you know.
Bye, pickles and
Bye.
pineapple.
Shout out the pickles and pineapples.
Yes. That's why I call boys and girls.
Alright guys, we're gonna start the gaming thing.
Can you even see that car?
Okay. To be fair, guys, to be fair, I'm wearing white pants. This guy's wearing red pants.
I'm red. He's white.
Yeah.
He's kind of racist. Just deal with it.
Somebody's black here, just a sis.
Oi. Shoot, how much time do we have?
Got my gun ready. Let's do this, guys. My YouTubers, let's do this. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Shit, what? Really?
Yeah, it doesn't.
No, I'm talking about the bullet. It went that way.
Oh. There you go.
Oh shit, how did I miss? Damn it. I got a bullet. Oh shit.
Oh, I know what's happening now.
Put your hands in the air.
Okay, the war's over, so now we're just gonna collect all the bullets now.
Yeah.
Sis,
Do a time
he
lapse.
lost.
Do a time lapse.
Yeah, sure. Whatever.
One more of these white. See any white bullets?
Hey, there's mushrooms here.
Nice.
Wani, mushrooms.
What?
Mushrooms. Here. There? What? Wow. Now collecting all the guns. I mean, bullets for the guns. Should I done what?
No, sure, it started at 5 and not 5:10. Plus the team mate.
Yeah, it's gone because of my stupid sister. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, the bullet red. Bullet red. Woo! And I need two of them in the center.
Oh, God.
See how cool was that? How cool was that? Oh no. Hey sis! Wani. Help us collect all the bullets. Help collect all the bullets because we have to separate the bullets between me and ID. Whew. Alright, ID. Let's just get the 5 shots at the butt now.
What?
5 shots at the butt. Since I'm the winner, I'm gonna choose which gun I'm gonna use. We're gonna use your Recon Mark II.
What? What do you mean? It's almost time.
Yes. Well, you separate the bullets. You have to separate the bullets while standing up. But I can shoot you in the butt
No, wait.
6 times. I have no idea. Okay, fine. 5 times.
Okay, just pick them up. Pick them up. Fine, I'll pick it up.
Yeah, you pick it up.
I lost, so I'm getting 5 shots to the butt.
I'm literally going to leave my camera over here so they could see it. Okay,
This is so unfair. You go
Stand there.
so you don't know how to shoot guns.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
I bought my first gun in P2, okay? Wait, no.
No, I mean like
I bought
a rifle.
K2, you know, I bought first gun at K2. It was a disc bullet. It was a disc bullet. Come on, I just stand there while I'm going to shoot you.
Bye.
This is so like my gun.
Yeah, exactly. Except it's not. It's like the retaliator, but it's the whole one.
Nah, I think I'm just gonna hold it.
Okay. Get out of
Move your back.
What?
Your back. Yeah, answer your message.
Ah no, that's my calendar.
Oh, your calendar.
You don't even hit my butt.
I don't care about yours around there, if I would say.
You're putting it to the ground.
Yeah.
Oh shit. It kinda hurt. Ooh. Okay, yeah. This one doesn't hurt that much. Last time you used the strong arm, right?
Yeah?
Dude, that one hurt.
Yeah.
This one, if you attach this attachment, it increases in range but decreases in power. Oh shit. But you almost hit my majestic man tower. Okay,
What the hell? You done that! Shit, I'm out of bullets. Wow. Nice. Well, that was about 5 bullets. So now I separate all these bullets here. It's probably just like one of us keep all the bullets and then the other one just go home with all the guns.
Huh? No. I need my gun.
Okay.
Later my gun's full. Put back all the bullets. Yeah. You're gonna see this in time-lapse form. Let's see do this video, but while we're doing this, we're taking like so much shitty time.
Yeah, about like 15 minutes.
Like the last time we did this, it took so long.
Yeah.
Because you had to search everywhere around the.
Like 5:55 until 6:10.
Nice.
Now it's 6 o'clock.
What?
Now 6 o'clock.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, give me the white bullet.
They're all at the bottom of my hands. I have to take out everything.
Okay, how much is this? 1, 2,
How
3,
much?
4.
It costs more than $30.
No, I mean how many bullets.
Oh. How many are there? No, how much are these?
Okay, you're gonna.
Your English failed.
I'm pretty sure I did better than you in your exams.
Yeah, right. Hey, the English don't know how much I forget.
I don't know, I'm not telling you. I can't even remember
It's
how
about
much
95, right? 95.
I don't even remember how much I get. Yeah, it's totally saw 95.
I've got
Next year, we're probably not going to have time to make all the videos.
after PS.
Yeah, because like after PSLE, if you don't know what PSLE is, it's primary school leaving examinations. We are currently primary 5, so primary 6 next year. Like if you live in America, it's like
6th grade.
yeah. And it's not called primary school, it's called middle school, I think. Like I don't know.
Bam!
Hit my hair.
Yeah, that's not gonna hit
Because
your
we
eye.
don't live in America, we live in Singapore. It's a
You know,
very
this is in a time lapse.
like
Yeah, so it's in a time lapse.
okay. Don't do it in time lapse.
Fine.
We're not gonna do it in time lapse.
I'm gonna do it in time lapse and then all the important stuff I'm gonna.
Yeah, when we talking,
Yeah.
you stop the time lapse. Okay. We don't live in America, so we don't really know all this shit. I'm not trying to like
Assume.
Because we live in a place called Singapore, we follow the British
Colony.
yeah, exactly. So we speak British language. We follow like in the UK.
The US spell color as COLOR. We spell color as COLOUR.
You.
Yeah, there's a U there.
Not to offend any Americans. It's just that we don't really know anything
All
about
my bullets. All my bullets.
America.
All the extra bullets you see are all mine.
Don't really know a lot about America. Dude,
What did I do? I didn't do anything.
there should be more green bullets and having one missing barrel. I'm having one missing barrel.
What? I know, you're doing the bullets lah. Yeah, I know. Shut up, cannot.
Dude, there's supposed to be more bullets for this.
Yeah.
What the heck? You steal mine?
I didn't steal yours. This is all mine.
Okay, I'm
Oh,
gonna...
there's one like right there.
What?
There's one like right under your gun.
What's that right under my gun? No, not that bullet. I mean a green one.
The green one? Okay, I gave you 2 extras. Why do you lose so many?
This is the reason why I hate you using the Dominator.
What? Nothing lah. That's my own business, cannot.
Dude,
Well,
why are you
look,
scoring
because of you.
so high?
Shut up.
God, why are you scoring your sister so hard?
I don't care. I do this like every day.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna watch a Spider-Man movie tonight.
Huh?
The Spider-Man movie.
The Amazing Spider-Man.
Yeah, number 2 on channel 5. Yeah. I don't know. It is the Amazing Spider-Man 2. If you have not watched
I
it.
watched it already.
Oh, I have not.
Ah, loser. Okay, so seems like I lost a lot of bullets. Why am I always the one who loses a lot of bullets? Why not you?
Because your bullets are green and the grass over here is green.
It should blend out a little bit.
That's a little bit. How far? We can't even see it.
Shit. Okay. Well then, if you...
Well, that's technically your phone. Look, there's like mosquitoes all over me. Straight away.
Hello?
Packing up.
The picture I'm packing up. Ah, okay. Bye.
Hey bro, shall we play again?
Huh?
Play again.
I don't know.
Like next weekend.
Oh, I'm so freaking tired.
Yeah, are you going overseas?
Huh?
Going overseas?
No.
No, not at all.
No. Okay.
Serious.
I need 2 elite bullets. Cause 2 of them are mine. Cause you gave it to me.
I'm pretty sure there's one in there already. Look, bro. If you see like that only, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. You can't even see
No,
it.
let me see.
It looks like this. Let me see. Just look at all the blue bullets. There's 1 elite bullet right there already.
Yeah, I know exactly. 1.
All the blue bullets.
Nope.
Tiada. Fine, take it.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my goodness. I thought like a bird just shit on me, but it was just my sweat. I got wrecked.
Okay, you need to hurry up. My mom's calling.
Your mom's scolding you.
No, my mom's calling me. She wants me to...
Oh, look at kids there.
Hi, kids.
Yeah, hey,
Technically, we are kids also, but still.
Bam! Just like that. Wham! Just like that. Hopefully they don't take our guns and my camera. They're gonna take my camera. I'm taking my camera.
You done loading all your guns?
No, not yet.
Okay. How many more do you need? Because the leftovers are mine.
I don't know.
Oh, hi, dudes. Oh, so all the talking part, we're not gonna time lapse it. Only the bullet collecting shit.
Yeah.
Because it's really time consuming. Since
Fine, just take the rest.
this place is really big. Surprisingly. Good thing we didn't play at Vista Park. Could be worse.
Yeah, that's true. The kids disappeared, lol.
Sorry. You can't see me.
Alright, we'll meet again.
Yeah, you have 1 elite bullet right there. So it is mine. No, here.
What?
No, cause you
It
have...
was already there.
Yeah, I know, but how many elite bullets do you have?
I have no idea. I supposed to have 10, but I gave 2 to you, so I got 8.
Yeah. Then one of them
No.
got torn by the other kids.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. It's 10. The tall one is down there.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. I find out where's the tall one. I found it straight away.
Dude. That's the tall one from before. We had like a previous battle, but we didn't record it.
Yeah. So let's do our ending part.
Okay. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to both our channels. Mine is Madcreeper601. His one is Borchon TDMC. I hope you enjoyed this video.
And we're gonna meet each other again next week if possible.
If possible, of course we're kids. We're not adults. We don't own our own house. So you have to tell our mom and shit. Okay, like I said before, this video might not upload on my channel. Because I don't have a freaking camera, which is very sad.
Oh, see, the camera that I'm using now is actually using my own camera. So
yeah, exactly. So if he can't give the video to me, which is probably not a possibility, this video is gonna be on his channel, which is Borchon TDMC. So if you wanna watch this video, just go to his channel.
Yeah. Okay.
Not mine. Mine is gonna be a stereo video.
Right. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys together with him next week.
Hopefully.
Yes.
Hopefully.
Bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Maybe we can do a Minecraft vid. We can do like some survival shit or shit.
Bye.